Masyadong magaling, pero siya yung magaling lagi sa pamilya, and she was the one who would always teach me. So I think it's a great time to introduce to you a person who sings better than me, dances better than me, and hosts better than me, and sings Chinese songs better than me. Alright, so please welcome my sister Eva Marie Pu. We're gonna jam a song. Okay, Aris, do we have a mic here? Okay, there we go, there we go.
Mga isang kanta lang naman.
Okay, this is Eva Marie. Do we look alike?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening po sa inyong lahat.
Okay.
Yan.
Want to say thank you publicly. You know, we date a lot. You know, nakakatawa no, minsan meron tayo sa mall. Eva, boyfriend mo.
Oo.
We would go out, no really. Dalawa lang kami sa pamilya. I used to make life very hard for my sister at home. So now that we grew up, you know.
Inamin mo?
You know, because she has, you know, when
Aunties are smiling over there.
so we would, no, nung medyo, ano na kami, medyo, nung nag-graduate na kami ng college last year, we started dating.
Last year. Hello.
Nag-date na kami sa mga malls, especially, she's from Manila, so we always see each other in Makati, yun yung gitna namin. We'd watch movies in Makati together, and a lot of times, dahil sa sobrang like ka nanonood ng movie, kilala ka na nung, anong tawag doon yung taga-punit ng ticket? No, really, when I enter the cinema, kilala yung sister ko, Eva, kumusta ka na? So they would always say, Eva, boyfriend mo? And mukhang tayong couple, no? Anyway. So,
Pero last year, when we were here sa kabila, nung nilaunch, it's been a year since my brother's first album was launched. And I remember it was there last year. Kasi nagbibiroan kami last year na single kami. And na-realize ko after 1 year, single pa rin kami. So parang, nagpupustahan kasi kami kung sino yung unang ikakasal sa aming dalawa. Sa tingin niyo, sino pang mauuna
may pusta
sa amin?
ba tayo?
Meron eh.
Meron?
Oo.
Sige, sino tingin nyo?
Sino sa tingin niyo mauna sa aming kasal?
Lakasan nyo, lakasan nyo.
See?
Bakit ako? Pwede ate ko.
Ako, totoo lang, sino sa mga ladies would want to date my brother? I'm just curious. Sa mga nandito ngayong gabi.
Wala, okay na mo.
Ayan. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, napakaswerte na magiging asawa ng kapatid ko. Kasi aside from being a very good singer, I think some of you know, napakagaling magluto ng kapatid ko. Kaya hindi ka na mamproblema. If you do not know how to cook, perfect. You can relax at home. My brother will cook for you every day.
Talaga?
Diba?
Dapat pala, I'll cook for you ang title ng song ko. I'll cook for you.
But anyway.
Alright, we're gonna try a song, and it's from the album also. It's a song from the Carpenters. Pero, ano lang, you know, my sister dances very well. She always tells me na, Richard, come on, let's dance. Ako, I have 2 left feet. But this girl, I kid you not, she dances very well. Is it okay kung bigyan mo ng saban as we play the intro of this song? Sige na. Okay, let's play it. Come on, let's play it. Guys, let's... Okay, let's play it. Come on.